Welcome to Kansas City, Kansas, where homeowners value the integrity and appearance of their properties. But clogged gutters can lead to serious water damage and pest problems. That's where gutter covers come into play. With years of expertise in the industry, we provide top-quality solutions to keep your gutters in perfect condition. Our premium gutter covers ensure your gutters remain clear and fully functional throughout the year, preventing clogs, leaks, and costly repairs. In Kansas City, Kansas, many homes experience gutter-related issues every year. Don't let your home be one of them. Gutter covers block debris from entering your gutters, allowing water to flow smoothly away from your home. This not only protects your property from potential water damage, but also enhances its curb appeal and value. Ready to safeguard your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your experts in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and maintenance-free. Call now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.